I'm gonna.
Huh?
All these.
Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free.
That hardly makes up for.
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
What the heck? This man is a pirate? Or maybe it's a girl. Alexa Bliss, yeah. A little bit. It's a man. And he's huge.
Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, you meal?
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
I couldn't read it fast enough.
Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Happy birthday!
So this is just what their family does? Hey, Blossom Gojo, welcome in! Yes! This game is amazing!
God.
I love
I
it.
don't have a bladder. I'd be pissing myself right now.
Sucker Punch the movie. Hey, Shady Since 95, welcome in. Yeah, you know what? I haven't seen that movie in so long. I just said she reminds me of Alexa Bliss, the wrestler. But this game is perfect. There's everything. If you want to know anything about me, this is the game. This is the game. Everything. From the main characters, press RB to start the chainsaw dash. Pick up the yellow fuel canisters. Huh?
Check out this new trick, Nick. It's called the Chainsaw Dash.
Ooh.
Let's go!
Wait, stop! It makes me dizzy.
Oh, lit.
Watch the eyes.
Chainsaw Dash!
Oh, shoot. I'm not starting off so hot, am I? Oh my god. Hold on. Oh, have a safe drive. Thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you. I like that movie too. Sucker Punch is a really great girls movie. Like it's a great movie. They got one more time to call me the B word. Like, y'all really think I'm not gonna take your head off? Please.
Let's go!
This game is so...
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities.
I know! Yay! Let's get to the roof of the school and find that floaty boat.
Okay. It's lit. Die! Die, zombie. What is that from? What is that from? Oh, SpongeBob.
Such a cliche.
Felt that in my spinal stub.
Chainsaw dash.
Ooh, Alexander.
Quarterback's a zombie.
Kill him anyway.
Oh no. He's really picking me up.
A-holes are a disgrace to the San Ramiro football uniform.
Hey, that one was looking up your skirt. Kill him.
Nick is hilarious. Oh, look at him. Come over here, Alexander. Come here. There we go. Ew. Hold on.
Hey, look, it's the World Series of lame.
I got no arms. How you gonna kill me? There we go. I like this music
I hate it when
too.
everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck. Ah!
It is fun. It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead.
My meter is really high. Oh. What is this? This is a mini game. It must be a big deal, this long loading screen. Okay.
Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart.
Stop by here. See what we can buy.
God, I love shopping.
Any new clothes? American cheerleader costume. I don't really care about that.
Click, click.
I don't have enough for that. What is this? Cheerleader chain. I already got that. A spin. Let's just get that. Zombies with a conscience is kind of cool. Yeah, so they have like personalities, I guess, right? So let's get this one. Oh, I can't. Let's get this one.
I found something.
AXXX. Spin around in a low position to sever legs. Okay.
What should I get?
Alright, got what I wanted. It was AXXX, right? I gotta remember these combos. Should I take... Yeah, I'm gonna eat one.
No!
Everybody always needs help. You're gonna die, sir. I'm not very good at saving y'all.
You're gonna be fine, ma'am.
Whoa! It's like backdraft, rabies.
Hold on, victim dude. I'm coming to help.
Oh, shoot. Not with me being on fire. There you go.
I need a girlfriend.
Okay. It ain't me sitting on the ground like that. What you gonna do for me? Not a daggone thing. I love everything about this.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
Oh my god. What's your favorite color, Nick? You're gonna what, sir?
And romantic.
What
Don't you
the-
think, Nick?
Yeah, but I think we need to stay focused.
I know. Wasn't like I was gonna make out with you or something.
I didn't know what you meant.
That is the craziest line. You're gonna do what with my head? That was wild. That was wilder than any other thing they've said so far. Can you imagine anyway? What? If somebody told you they were gonna do that?
Baby someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
I don't know. We could take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool. There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal.
I'm willing to take that chance. Hey, Double O, thank you for lurking. This game is wild. Did you hear what the football player said to her? That was the wildest thing I've heard. Like, what the heck are you talking about? That's not worse than what the football player said. Get in there. There you go. Can y'all get up off the floor? What the? Right into their spine.
That body will do.
Oh my gosh.
Please, Nick.
What am I gonna do? Say no?
Let's pop you on this.
Yes!
What? Awesome, Nick. You're the best.
Let me take care of this, Juliet.
Is she cheering for him? She is.
Ah! I use magic.
I do love the carnage. I love this so much. I love it. And because this game is only 6 hours long, I'm definitely going to play this again for 100%. And I'm going to play it on hard. This is great. I'm going to dream about this game.
So how long have you been a zombie hunter?
Forever. I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
So, how are zombies, like, around in this game? How do I get past this? Oh. What do you mean at 6 months old?
We're here to help you. You're gonna be fine. I see the cat from
Hey! Give me this.
So delicious.
Oh no, I'm on fire! I'm gonna have to go invincible.
That's the parachute from Cordelia's present.
The songs in this are so cute.
Shopping just makes me feel better about myself. Let's go! Time for Chainsaw Dash again.
Drive carefully, okay?
Delicious.
Let me get my health up. Hold on. Perfect. Alright.
Chainsaw Dash.
Awesome. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Alright, let's keep going.
Juliet, you have to be careful.
What do you mean? I didn't do that.
you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big jump. Hold on.
Hold on with what?
Zombie
Oh
master.
God.
Time you're killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
Here we go.
You're hogging my glory.
It seems like a one-sided game.
Cool, I'm great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
That's a basket.
3 points.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God.
Where'd all those rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
I'm awesome.
3 points.
From awesome. Yo, this big black man is not trying to help me win. Look at him. Please, can you please move, sir? I don't like this.
1 minute left.
I'm not gonna win, y'all. I'm not gonna win because of this man. Look, he sucks.
Nice shot.
Come on. This is crazy.
Fantastic.
Nope, I'm not gonna win. It's because of this big black man. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Sorry, the game's over. While you check out the enormous deadly explosion.
Oh! Yeah? Hey, huh?
I'm not gonna make it.
3 points. Fantastic. Nice shot.
Yes!
Wow, what a turnaround. The
Ah.
Zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet.
That
See you
man
in
was
action
really
again.
trying to ruin my day. Told you. Cutting off heads. That's the way to play basketball.
Let's go.
How did I get...
Completely.
Yeah, I don't care about hitting. No, I just want to go. Game start. What's the game?
Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay.
Looking good.
Oh, man.
Cool.
Go, Juliet.
My butt.
Sorry.
Can't we have more games like this? Why can't we have more games where like the girl is like this cute girl, but she can really do some damage? Ew.
Running zombies? Fucking stupid.
Yeah. What kind of idiot would come up with that?
Alright, where's the 11th? There we go. What the heck is this lady? Get in there. Whoa, and why is she so big? Whose grandma is this? I love that when you're invincible, it's just one hit to get somebody.
And really fast.
It feels like it's cheating, but at the same time, it's like when you're in a pickle or in a tight spot, it's really great. Don't break my
Dick is going on with all this crazy stuff.
What the
dick?
It's my new phrase I invented. Do you like it?
Go, die, zombie scum! Ready? Okay. Undead, we slay. You all suck and we are great. DD, decapitate.
Okay.
GLY, wake up. It's time to die.
Oh no! My squad has joined the zombies!
Agnes used to be so hot. Now she has an intestine coming out of her vagina. Ugh.
I am weak though. Y'all gotta die. What the? What the? Dang. Why did it take so long to kill those things?
Holy, we better get out of here.
Okay.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
2 out of 4. I thought I saved all of them. No? Okay.
Gay. Damn! Okay!
What?
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
What?
Oh my God! Easter egg! Oh.
Girls in Kenya have big butts?
Cool! Yeah!
How do I do this?
Wow! Impressive! Totally awesome!
I didn't even... I'm getting back down here. It was definitely a different time. What the heck are you talking about?
Incredible!
What the? How do I do this right? There we go.
Completely awesome! Perfect! Yes!
Okay.
I wonder what they have.
Okay, now I have enough to do that. I just feel like I don't be using them. Chainsaw Strike.
There it is! There it is!
YYA. Okay. I definitely need that though. See, she's answering the
Juliet,
phone.
it's Cordelia. Just a tip, sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
What did she say? I don't know.
Let's go! Nick, it would be really cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right?
Alright, here they come. Oh, that's his body. Here you go, Nick.
Oh well. Wow. Feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nick, you feel it? You feel it? Lame. Zombie brain, show 'em to us. Show 'em to us. God, Nick, that was so hot. Chainsaw dash. Big jump. Woohoo!
Ah, I hate this.
Wow. What can I say? What can I say about this? They toned down how sexual characters look in video games now as to how they look back then. You think so? You think so? I definitely think it was a different time.
Strike twice. Strike 18 times.
I think at the time in 2012 that was like the thing. And I think now it's like tough girls, like, and like definitely lesbian girls is a big thing. For sure.
Fighters to the rescue.
Like, when did Legally Blonde come out? I feel like it was around this time.
I feel like singing It's Raining Men.
Hey, that would be funny, Nick. Time to kill these efforts.
Paul. Shoot. Okay, I'm getting my tail whooped.
Can't get this Katy Perry song out of my head. Oh, what a terrible way to die.
What? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. There's so much happening. Woo! There's so much happening. Oh my god. There we go. I was like, why can't I leave this area? But now I see. Let's go, let's go.
Yay, my present! What do you think it is, Nick?
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
I love this music.
I see the ship. So delicious.
This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun! I've already been paying for 2.5 hours. I know this game is only 6.5 hours long. Am I already at the boss? Oh my god.
Nice jump.
Mm.
Ooh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
It's a gun!
You're the best big sister ever.
Chainsaw Blaster!
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fail at this.
Let's give my new present a test run.
Ah! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Sweet shot.
I'm gonna be so bad as soon as it changes where we're going.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball.
Make sure he gets the home plate 3 times to win.
Here I go. Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick. Chainsaw Blaster!
Yes.
I'm Ted Williams, your face.
Go, Nick. All right, come on. Oh, hold on.
Chainsaw Blaster!
Another hit.
Yes. Zombie beats don't fail me now.
What does dance mean?
Oh my god. It's still a little intense.
Blaster!
All right, come on, Nick.
Yeah.
Yes.
Blaster!
Check out that form. Well, the game's over. Guess that bomb's gonna go off.
Damn it, he
Well,
died?
you're blown into a million fucking pieces. Think we'll wrap things up in the booth. See ya.
I thought this was gonna be the boss. All right. I got this. This isn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be way worse. Okay, he cannot get hit. He cannot die. I made it twice. All I need is 3 times. I think I'm good. I think I can do it. This is hard.
Guess that bomb's gonna go off.
Oh my god!
Well,
They
the game's
throw
over.
baseballs at
Bomb's
him.
gonna go off. While you're blown into a million fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things up in the booth.
I'm never
See
gonna
ya.
be able to do this part.
Well, the game's over.
Chainsaw Blaster!
Come on, Nick, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah! Yes!
Yes! Oh my
Looks
god!
like zombie baseball has its own big
Woo!
move, and she's a real babe.
That was crazy.
Better move on.
Yeah,
so
I guess
happy
we should
that was
find my
over.
sister.
I think the ship went over to the school's unrealistically gigantic swimming pool.
Totally. Let's go.
It looks good? Okay, good. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that's over. That sucked. And they're gonna make me do it again, I know.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? Oh, there is no way. Those things are death traps. Bad enough your dad has one, and the same goes for you.
Are we about to get a motorcycle? Is that why you said that?
I wonder what they have. Let's go!
I get all these upgrades and I don't even use them. More aiming. Please no.
Cordelia!
She looked like she belonged in Resident Evil.
Juliet! There's something on you. No, Cordelia! That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Ouch.
The whole no body thing is cool.
I wouldn't have to worry about gaining weight. Food would just fall out of my neck. OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Is this the boss level?
Bye-bye, Grayling! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54B.
Right.
1, 2, 3! Good luck, sis! And you too, cute head boyfriend whose name I forget. If it isn't the pirates of the
What is going on? I don't know.
You've got
Jerk off you.
gall setting foot on my ship, Stelpa.
I'm getting a little seasick.
Alright, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks.
Here we go with that B word.
I'm gonna use her face to make a hat and use her spine as a back scratcher.
So this is the boss level. Okay. What you got, sir? Viking. Ew.
Let's show her the Viking way.
He likes to drink blood. Alright. That said necrophilia? Ew! Why is everybody so strange? Like, I know you're evil, but dang. That's wild. That's why they don't let you read those things, because they got some crazy things going on.
We are Viking short and stout. We like to drink and fuck.
This is a lot. Oh my god.
Take this.
He's pretty tall.
Lightning has always freaked me out.
When he blocks it, I can't do anything. Alright. You're a little slow, sir. You may be big, but you're slow. I can't see. Whoa. They electrocuted me. Okay, I get your point.
Lightning has always freaked me out.
Oh my god. Slice him in half, sis. Yeah.
Oh, you got a lot of gall, little girl. Don't tell me that's it.
Get away from him when he's charging up.
Well, he's not hitting me. I'm getting out the way.
Yeah, fever spelling! Die!
Huh? Oh, it came back. Oh, I can use my gun. Cool.
Missile blaster.
Who does he think he is? The one-armed deaf leopard dude?
This is so much going on.
I am not in the mood to be deep fried.
Oh my god. These daggone legs. Cut his head off? Or are you cutting his shoulders off? What are you doing? His head. His head. Yeah. Yeah. Where's his head? Oh. Ew.
Power of the gods in this blood.
Ew. This is so outrageous.
Pretty cool.
So should I use my bullet? Yep. Ah.
What's this then?
Get him, girl.
Yes, it's time. Finish him.
There we go. Diagonal in his skull. Yes. Okay. Bye, sir.
Impossible! I can't be beaten by a little girl! I'm a warrior!
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Yes, ma'am. I love this for her. Oh my god.
Whoa! No! Stop! What?
This bites my non-existent balls.
Alright. 2 bosses down. 2. We got, I think, 2 more to go. And then the main guy. I keep getting C's. That's okay. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get better. Slice them in half. 3 different times. Torso, gone. Head, decapitated. Then we sliced them diagonally in the head. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. And we shot him with a gun.